Hello everyone, this is Rekha Goel once again in front of you with writing skills, which is very important part of expressing our thoughts, right? At times we keep things in our mind, so let us pour down those things on sheets, on in words form. So let's enhance with Rekha Goel. Writing skills matter a lot. It does matter, right? Today we are going to deal with diary entry, which is very important writer. The most beautiful thing about diary entry is that we are not bounded, right? We can write whatever we wish to write because there is nobody who is going to. We are not conveying our message to everyone. We are not conveying our thoughts, feelings, emotions to anybody. It is we are pouring ourselves, like we are venting ourselves. So that is what diary entry is. Now here I just now I have used the word vent. Vent means like pouring out your emotions, sharing your emotions and feelings. So let's go. Now, before we move further, how to write it, what are the essentialities of diary entry? Let us see what diary entry is. Diary writing is one of the most personal and informal categories of writing. As I told you, very personal and informal way. A diary writing can be based on an experience, a scene, a description or narration of certain event, or any other thing or activity that the writer considers worth writing in his personal diary. Worth writing, that means he feels that he should express. In the examination, the question on diary writing is aimed to test your imaginative, creative, and expressive skills. Right? So we'll move with diary entry in both the aspects, from the aspects of examination, from the aspects of academics and personal also. Not necessary that we do learn diary writing only for writing in the exam, right? So our personal thing also, I think every person should maintain a diary where at times, like no, you feel uncomfortable, at times you say you are so happy, or you are vice versa, right? You are unhappy also, you are feeling some uncomfortability is there in your mind, it's going on. But then if you keep on thinking, then the things are, you never know. So it is better to vent out yourself. So this venting out is a proper diary entry, is a proper format of this venting out, right? Now, before that, again, why do people write diaries? So, the reasons are there. People write diaries for expressing their point of view about a particular event or incident. That means how do they feel about particular event or incident, or at times they do write for expressing their oneself. They want to pour themselves, right? So, this is what oneself means here. Now, as I told you that you have all the freedom when you are writing diary. So, what kind of language is to be used? The style and tone is generally informal and personal. However, it depends on the subject, right? Sometimes the tone can be philosophical and reflective too. You are in so pensive mood and like various thoughts are coming in, so you can be a philosopher at times also. You can freely express your viewpoints. Most important thing is pouring your feelings and emotions, venting out. As again and again I'm using this word venting out. Actually, the thing is that your diary, nobody is reading. See, when we write informal letters, also when we are writing to our friends, we are writing to our parents, relatives. So we are sharing our feelings with somebody, at least some other person is reading those feelings, and quite possible that that person may share your feelings and emotions with somebody. But as long as diary is considered, nobody diary is not going to tell it to anybody, right? So we have all the liberties whatever we want to share. So this is why again and again I am using two words for diary, that is pouring, fine, and then venting, right? So these two things are there, these two kind of ways there how we can express ourselves. Then fourth point is very much important, rhetorical language to be used with the help of idioms and phrases. I'll explain what rhetorical language is. Now what points to remember, important thing, Be creative, be imaginative, and be expressive in the writing. You need to be creative. Creative doesn't mean we are making some drawing, right? Creative here in terms of words. Write the incident as if you are actually the part of it. Like you need to involve yourself, then only a good write up will be there. Always write in the first person narration. It is all about you and you. That is what first person is. Daily activities are not to be mentioned in the diary. That means when we write diary, we need to mention only the things which are, or the activities or the events which are different. Understand, that is how diary entry should always begin with exclamation. Exclamation means it is a sudden flow of emotions, right? So you are not going to mention the routine things into that. Only significant activities are to be written, and it's a secret record. So be honest to yourself, right? So you don't have to be fake with your diary. You need to be always honest and real person when you are writing a diary. Now see the format. On the top you are writing date, day and time. So date, day and time, date, your date, month and year that you are writing, then day again, whatever the day out of 7 days. Then time is at what time you are writing the diary. So that time is to be mentioned. Generally people do prefer to write diary in the wee hours also, or at night also. So it is all up to you. And then dear diary. So this is dear diary is optional, right? If you want to address your diary, you can always do that. And in place of when you are addressing your diary, so in place of dear diary, you can always give a name to your diary. Fine, you can keep a pet name of your diary, then that can be mentioned. Then word limit altogether it is 100 to 120. Now various, when you are writing diary, the main content, the body of diary when you are writing, so whenever you are changing with your emotions and feelings, that time you can change the paragraphs, okay? And that has to be kept in your mind. And at the last, you can write your name. Now greet the diary. This is what the salutation. No, formally we call it salutation. So you can write dear diary. Today I feel great. I bad, terrible, awesome, lonely, sad. Fine, and so on. You won't believe what happened to me today. Or let me tell you what happened today. Today was a special day, weird day, the best or the worst day of my life. Or exclamatory, as I told you, what a special day it was. Just couldn't believe my eyes. Fine. Or I have shattered. If something wrong happened, then you can write, I am shattered. I am no more. I am dead. I feel like dead, right? So this is how you can, the initial sentence, that means that gives a position to your feelings and emotions. Now event, tell what happened. So this is how, like the body, how to write. It has to be in past tense. Who was with you? That is to be mentioned. Where did it happen? What did you do? When did it happen? Today I went, this morning, this afternoon. So fine, you need, this is how we can proceed when we are writing diary. Now feelings you can write when it happened, right? We had so much fun when, I was so excited, I hated it. I was really annoyed when, it was so nervous, but she, I can't believe that, I feel terrible, horrible, strange, weird. I was so angry. Now this is while writing the diary, it is very much important to interact. Interact, that means communicating with diary. Then only that informality comes. Otherwise you will always be very formal. So whatever you are writing, so keep on talking to yourself. The same kind of feeling and same kind of gestures will be there in the diary. For example, by the way, let me tell you this, how you can continue it. To tell you the truth, it is really a bad day for me. I must tell you, right now I am very upset. You will never believe it, but let me open with you. I hope that everything should go on well, but it didn't happen. So, to be honest, I'm exhausted. I'm shattered. I imagine that I should have told you that this world is not for me. I am not looking forward to anything happen good for me. I am not worried about anything in my life. I just want to live my life the way it is. I expected that things should go on well, but it didn't so. The best bit is that, then you can continue. The best, worst part bit is, and then you can continue. Fine. So this is how you can interact with your diary, and then expressions will definitely come. Now, as I earlier in the previous slides, I told you rhetorical word that it came. So rhetorical questions are the questions when you put up, but you will not, you know that you will not get the answers, right? That means those questions are not put up to get an answer. For example, like when you are writing diary, you are saying that you remember when earlier I told you how I was feeling when I met him or met her. So, do you think that is going to answer you? No. Fine. You know that. It is not that you are standing in front of anybody and where a teacher is standing and the teacher is expecting, putting a question, expecting an answer from the students. So, we are not talking in that term, right? Here we are talking, even if you ask any question to a crowd at times, but then you know that you won't get the answer. You won't get, doesn't mean that they don't know the answer. Fine. That means that question is not put up to get an answer. This is the meaning of rhetorical questions. Do you remember when? What do you think? Am I right? Am I doing the right things? What could I have done? I think that whatever I did was the best I could ever do in my life. What should I do now? I'm hopeless. Diary will not tell that you do this and that, right? Can you believe it? What happened with me today? Fine. So this is the way when we put up the question in such a manner where no answer is supposed to come. We know that. So this is what a rhetorical question is. Now, this is the feelings now, winding up feelings. You can conclude your diary. All in all, like whatever the way, whatever incident or event you are mentioning about, in connection to whatever the things, activities happen, and you put up your feelings in the form of diary. So you can always wind up. All in all, it was a great, an awesome, a fantastic, or a bad, a realistic, splendid, horrible, terrible, sad, wild day and feeling. Fine. So this is how you can, or you can do with the exclamation also. uh, what a great day, all in all, what a great day it was, what an awesome feelings I shared with you, diary. Thanks a lot for pouring down me so finally, right? So this is how you can mention all the things. Now, finally, it's saying bye also. So, at the last, yours, your name, until tomorrow, your name, you can write see you, then your name, catch you later, catch you soon, don't forget me, I'll meet you soon. Fine. Uh, See you tomorrow in the evening, see you tomorrow in the night, see you tomorrow morning. Fine. Let me see when we meet again. So, this is how you are saying bye to your diary. Now, moving on to the final things. Fine. Here is a list of vocab for diary entry. So, a number of words are there which you can always use in your diary. And then here we have rhetorical questions. Already I explained you what is the meaning, and some more examples are there. Can you believe that? You know what? Can you imagine it? Have you ever thought of it? Right? So, this is how diary entries. I hope that I have included everything to make your diary an outstanding overflow of your all emotions, and whatever event, whatever things, whatever activities, or whatever yourself in the way you want to put up yourself. I hope that this video will definitely help you out to write a good, or not good, the best diary entry which you can ever write. Thank you very much. Happy understanding to all you. I hope you must have understood the diary, how to write diary entry. And I do urge everyone, don't only see this diary entry from the aspect of examination. Fine. Do also write diaries, so that you always see, once you will start writing diary, so you will always find it to be the best friend ever you met, because here there is nothing, you don't have to say please don't share it with anybody, right? Because it is secret, it is your treasure which will be secret and which is not going to go anywhere at all. Fine. So once again, thanks a lot. Thank you very much.